What's going on, YouTube? I'm back, like I said. Supposed to get another box, but I guess I'm probably not gonna get it today. But here's the one that's unboxing, and well, let me get to it. This is just a strap. Interesting. Jesus Christ. This is the good stuff right here. You might have to give me a second if I can get it out. I should be good. And voila. This is the goodies right here. 1, 2. Yep. 2 replica belts. I traded my spinner for these, but the best thing about this is, well, you guys know WWF Attitude Era belt. I have one. I have both these belts, except this. They're both WWF. This is WWF, but this one is WWE. Get a little more in depth about it. Take it. Alright. This one just missing a couple buckles right here, but I have another strap of this. Basically, let me go through the plates real quick. Pretty fair condition. As you can tell, a few normal nicks and whatnot. There's other side plate, and property logo. Back of the strap. Missing a screw there, but so be it. That's that one. But that's really nothing. This is the one that has the goodies right here. And I say that because, well, if you already seen, this one is actually on a real Dave Milliken strap. Booyah. That's the reason I just wanted to get to the point on this one. You guys, WWE, blah blah, but on a real leather strap. And I think it has a hose for, yeah, it's got the hose for a belt tip. A gold tip, excuse me. Kind of early for me. Pretty much. Excuse me if I'm going through this fairly quickly, but that's pretty much my video. Wow, very flexible. See how it just drops on every side, and just drops. It's a little cold, so that's probably why they're like that, but yep, it feels different. But anyways, that's my video. I have another one coming up soon whenever I get this other package, so I'll definitely post the video up. Thank you.